to day 5 of 12 days of digitals. The week has flown by. We're already at day 5. Super exciting. I hope you're still playing along and checking out all the fun inspiration using the digitals. So today it's all about journaling cards and lots of cardinals and fun vintage Christmas cards. So I want to do a little embossing on the journaling cards. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe the video, and we would love for you to join our Facebook group where we have all sorts of fun inspiration from the kits being posted. Also, if you're using the kits and you do hashtag 12 days of digis 2020, there's all sorts of fun inspiration there as well. All right, so I have cut and inked, and I've also added coffee dyed paper to the back of my journaling cards. And I have my Christmas Tim Holtz stamps that I was thinking I could use to emboss. In my stash, I must have gotten this from Tuesday Morning a while back. I found this super exciting, so I was wanting to maybe stamp this on the back of a couple of these. And the reason I'm excited to do some embossing is I have the newer colors. I have Crackling Campfire and the newest color, which is Rustic Wilderness, which is, oh wow, it's leaking everywhere because it's not all the way screwed on. And then I also pulled out, what is this? Vintage Photo. So I thought it would be fun to take some of the stamps, oh man, now I have embossing powder all over me, and add some stamps to the different cards, either the mailing ones or the Christmas trees. Not sure, but I thought it would be fun. And then with the itty bitty guys, I was going to maybe use the Vintage Photo, and then we could use these later as dangles. All right, so that's kind of what I was thinking. So let's jump in. And I also have my embossing dabber and then a pen. I also need my ink. Here's my Versamark ink and my block. Okay, where to start? Let's see. Let's start with this guy. Well, maybe not. Let's start with this one. All right, so I think I want to add just fun little stamps that I'm going to emboss. All right, so let's start with this one. It says, mail early for Christmas. Hopefully I got enough ink on there. And while we're at it, let's do a couple. Santa Claus Post Office, that's cute. Oh. How about one more? Let's see. How about this one, the North Pole? Okay, I think I'll do these first ones in Crackling Campfire. So we'll move this stuff. Scrap paper. There's crackling campfire. My A is a little bit iffy, but that's okay. And then couldn't really see where it was. My little brush. Okay, I think that's good. That looks really good. Okay. Set that aside. Get my embossing done. This one's a little hard to see, but it's there. It's a little difficult. This one looks great. And that one's pretty good. Okay, so now I think it'd be fun to do something in the green. But I don't know if I need to let those cool for a second. All right, so we'll let those cool and we'll do other ones. All right, I think I'm gonna use this one again. This one says Happy Holidays, North Pole Express. I'm gonna do this one. Let's do Happy Holidays. Up here. And the snowflake right there. Okay, let's do these in the green. That looks good. The green really pops. I like it. And this one. Okay. Try not to toss my embossing powder everywhere. Okay, let's give these a go. Okay, let those cool off. Oh, it looks great. And let's go back to these really quick. I think they need a little more. This one, Merry Christmas with Santa. You know what, I'm gonna do that one over here too. Okay, so then this time we're also gonna do this in green. Yep, looks good. Okay, I think those are gonna look good. Only when I'm not good. Cute. All right. So we want, let's see. I think I like this one just like that. This one and this one, I think we're gonna add something too. I think I want to add these stripes. So let's do and then Christmas delivery. And then this we'll go back to do in red. Oops, keep forgetting. There we go. I got it. On the back. That looks cool. I think I'm going to do it on the back of this one too. But then there won't be writing, so maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just take this part. It's kind of fun. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, and I'm going to do this off camera, is I'm going to stitch around the borders of my cards. I'll be right back. Okay, I did my stitching, so there we go. Looking good. And I think I'm going to save these, but I was thinking this one I could, oh, where did it go? Glue on maybe on this one. Make it look like a stamp. Yeah, maybe like that. Just let me get my glue. And these, I think I'm going to try again off camera to see if I can get them kind of to what I was thinking. Because what I would like to do is punch a hole and then have them kind of dangle off an embellishment. So, but for today, I think we're good. Made all sorts of journaling cards that I can put in my December daily. All right, well, thanks so much for watching and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.